Want to cancel, pause, or downgrade your Midjourney subscription? It's easy. As of late 2025, Midjourney offers flexible options to manage your plan. Canceling ends your subscription at the end of the current billing cycle, giving you access until then. Pausing, a new feature, lets you suspend billing and usage for up to 60 days while retaining access to your generated images. Downgrading allows you to switch to a lower price tier, with changes taking effect at the next billing cycle, applying prorated credits. Access the Midjourney web app at midjourney.com to manage your subscription. If you cancel within 14 days, you are entitled to a full refund. To cancel, log into your Midjourney account on their website, navigate to your account dashboard, and select Cancel Subscription. Confirm your choice. You'll retain access until the end of your billing cycle. To pause, select the Pause option on your account dashboard. Specify the duration up to 60 days. To downgrade, choose the Downgrade option and select your desired lower tier. Any prorated credits will be applied to your next billing cycle. Remember to verify your account through email or 2FA for any action. If you encounter issues or believe you are eligible for a refund outside the 14-day window due to technical problems, contact Midjourney support. Before canceling, consider exporting your data, as Midjourney may not guarantee permanent storage beyond 90 days post-termination. If you want to get a refund, you must cancel within 14 days.